welcome to Vlogmas day 13. It's actually 5 o'clock at night right now. I suck. I have done just about nothing all day. I had breakfast, I had lunch, I've been laying in bed. Like, I took a shower this morning and then put a robe on, and I just changed out of that robe right before this video. So I've done just about nothing today except for lounge around, but I feel like it's kind of nice to have a day like that every once in a while where you do just about nothing. This vlog will most likely be pretty short, but I still didn't want to miss a day. So here we are. I have these cozy PJs on once again from Shein. That haul will be up sometime this week coming up. I just got some really good stuff from both Shein and Fashion Nova. So I have 2 extra videos coming out this upcoming week, which I am excited about. We don't have any more days left for the sock advent calendar, but we do have our Clarins advent calendar that we will be starting today. So let me grab that and we will get the first day open. Oh, almost dropped it. So this is what it looks like. Super cute, Christmassy. It has a picture of all the items, a description of all the items, which I have held back. I did not read any of it. So you take the sleeve off and it looks very similar to that sleeve. And then, let me tilt you guys down. When you open it up, how cute! Are you joking me? It is so cute. All right, so today is day 1. What is that? I don't know. Day 1, let's open this little drawer up. I'm gonna take it all the way out if I can. All right, the first thing I see is a little it's just like a little brochure telling you what it is. So it is the Clarins. I don't know why I need to say Clarins. This whole entire advent calendar is Clarins. Come on. It is the Fresh Scrub. So it is an exfoliant cream. That's actually a pretty good size for being in an advent calendar. I feel like this is the perfect travel size. You guys already know I'm obsessed with travel size things, so that is super cool. Oh, and it does have a little safety seal, which is always nice. So that is really exciting. I wonder if it says what it does. Let me actually read the back. I'm gonna find just that. Fresh Scrub, does not say. Cool. I'm gonna put this empty box back in here. It says it's a cream gel that instantly exfoliates and refreshes the face, clear, smooth skin, and a radiant complexion. It's a super duo of natural exfoliating and refining beads, gently eliminates impurities and dead skin cells. Skin texture is refined, skin is clearer and smoother. Very cool. I love a good exfoliant, so I'm really glad I got this. I want to keep all these Clarins products in one particular spot. So I think what I'm gonna do is find some sort of a basket or tub or container to keep all of them in after I open them. That way I keep track of all of them. All right, this will do for now until I find something cuter. I'll keep them all in here, and then where do I keep this? It's just the never-ending circle of where to put things in this darn room. All right, I am going to put this back up on my shelf, so we are ready to go for tomorrow. So the rest of tonight is probably gonna be just making dinner. I still have to plan for all of January for lesson plans because we do have a 2-week break from work coming up. So I need to make sure all of January is set. I'm gonna do most of that tonight. And then possibly, not sure yet, don't really want to, but I was thinking about baking again, but something different. We'll see if I actually do that, because I actually kind of don't really feel like doing that, but we'll see. I'm just really tired and lazy today. All right, I am taking my work computer and I'm gonna go lay back in bed and start planning for January. I don't know if I ever showed any of you our tree, but we just went real simple with the ornaments. Of course, Carlos has his freaking Supreme ornament on there, but, oh, and my mom gave us this one that says Carlos and Nicole Merry Christmas 2020 with the masks and the roll of toilet paper. Oh, and the hand sanitizer. So funny. But other than that, we just did candy canes, and then we have pretty much all of the gifts wrapped. You itching? And then there's not enough room under the tree, so we have more gifts out here. But, oh yeah, that baby gate is used for this guy, for when people knock at the door. We just set it up like from this chair over because he's scared of the baby gate, so he won't go anywhere near it. Huh. Cash. Baby. Are you scared of the baby gate? I know you are. So yeah, it's our little like seating area. We had to rearrange to fit the tree, but I got this pillow from, where did I get it from? Big Lots, I think. And I got it because it looked like cash in the back. So alright, you guys, so like I said, dinner time. We're making flatbread pizzas. I absolutely love doing this when I'm not like crazy starving, or if I am crazy starving, I'll make one of these and like a side salad, or even maybe two of these. So I always use some sort of like either tortilla or this like, I don't even know how to say that. Is it lavish bread? Don't know. But this is the Joseph's Lavish bread. It's multi-grain, and for one flatbread it's only 100 calories. Oh, it actually shows a picture of a flatbread pizza on there. I didn't even know. I'm a fan of thin crust pizzas. I do not like that thick stuff, so this is perfect for me. Then I'll use just a little bit of some sort of like pasta sauce or pizza sauce, but I love this brand, this Rao's. Don't know how to pronounce that either. Arrabbiata, because it's a little bit spicy and it's bomb. And then of course you'll just need some mozzarella. And I use turkey pepperoni to keep the calories a little bit lower than regular pepperoni. I already foiled a pan and put one of the lavish breads on it, and it is broiling in the oven right now just to get it a little bit crispy before I put everything else on top. Okay, this pan is hot. It got a little more toasty than I wanted, but oh well. Once I put the sauce on, it will soften out again. So I put a little bit of this marinara, and I like going all the way to the edge.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them?
I like to have this with just a little bit of this Greek yogurt ranch.
Did you get all the angles?
Yeah.
Carlos and kicks.
Oh my god, I'm sick of it. Yeah, you guys go follow his YouTube channel if you're interested in shoes, or hopefully once we start traveling again, he'll do some travel vlogs on his channel. Maybe.
Or if you're interested in man buns, I'm working on mine right now.
We got two of them.
I got a double man bun.
It's bad.
My ass. Not even my ass, it's just like this upper part is itchy, you know?
I'm putting that in the vlog.
I don't really care.
I'm so sick of you twirling things.
That's all I do, you know?
Twirl Jones.
Twirl boys. Do you still leave the oven on?
Oh no. My bad.
Yeah, it is your bad. Here's my dinner. Some veggies. And that's it.
No.
Because I'm lean.
No. He's making ramen. You guys, I'm almost embarrassed to post today's Vlogmas video because it was so short and ridiculous. I'm back in bed, laptop on my lap, hanging out with this guy. What are you doing? Are you mama's good boy? So anyway, I am, like I said, just on my laptop right now. I'm moving over all of my work for the new week, for next week. Next week is actually the last week before our winter break, and then we have 2 weeks off. I'm so excited about it. Lots of fun things planned, lots of free time that I'll be able to film, so I'm just hoping the vlogs get better and better. We'll see how I feel, but I almost want to go past Christmas, maybe to the end of December, maybe? We'll see. Again, I'm so sorry this vlog was so short, like it's almost embarrassing to post, but I figured it's better than nothing, right? Anyway, even though it was short, I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 13, and I will see you all tomorrow for a much better and longer vlog for Day 14. Bye.